In this video, we'll talk about food and diet. The visible signs of aging can get to the best of us. Even the strong-hearted may not be spared the agony when it comes to noticing their first ever gray hair, first fine line, or the loss of skin volume and elasticity. If you are like most people, you may have thought that the first wrinkle on your face was going to take you downhill from there. Or if you have been impressed by the effects of cosmetic surgery celebrities, wondering if looking young would be worth using up all your savings for, you are wrong. You do not need expensive surgeries, creams, or treatments to age reversely. But what you do need is food. That's correct, and it doesn't get any simpler than that. Without ever actually realizing what a significant difference our diet can make in reverse aging, we have a tendency to opt for less reliable and potentially harmful methods to look younger. While eating the rainbow in all its glory will do wonders for improving your overall health, our particular concern is with foods that halt the effects of aging. So, here are some top contenders that can produce noticeable effects on how well you age. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are great for reverse aging, especially the skin. Tomatoes have a very large quantity of carotenoids in them, which have been studied extensively to protect and shield from damage caused by sunlight. UV light forms free radicals of the naturally occurring and otherwise harmful elements in the atmosphere. These free radicals, in turn, can react with our skin, among other things, damaging, drying, exhausting, and eventually causing premature aging of the skin. The specific carotenoids in tomatoes also naturally inhibit the enzyme collagenase that breaks down collagen in the skin. Collagen is important for strength, whether it is associated with skin, hair, or any other tissue of the body. If it's maintained in adequate amounts in the skin, it makes the skin stronger and more resistant to factors that cause aging. Using tomatoes in their raw form can help gain maximum reverse aging benefits. Green tea. Green tea already has an established reputation as an effective weight loss agent, but its benefits do not stop there. In fact, you can also add in some green tea to your reverse aging regimen to look younger than your biological age. This particular benefit is derived from the antioxidant properties of green tea. Tracing it back to its roots, green tea is said to have come from China, hence the legend of a Chinese monk who lived for almost 150 years. When he was asked by their king how he had lived for so long, the monk is said to have thanked tea for it. This little tidbit might be nothing more than a folktale, but the fact remains that modern research has indeed proved the old monk right. Various oxides and radicals produced by the normal metabolism of oxygen in the body exert stress on the skin. They attack the skin, making it weak and fragile, also causing it to lose its elasticity. All of this eventually presents distressing effects of aging. Here, antioxidants in green tea can help in eliminating these radicals and limit the harmful effects that lead to aging. Yogurt. Yogurt is known to be full of nutrients like calcium, vitamin D, and many proteins. It's also known to be of great use for stronger bones, healthier hair, and softer skin. Yogurt is also a very important food for reverse aging. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which can do wonders for your skin because it destroys dead skin or epidermal cells. It also works very well to minimize the harmful effects of overexposure to sunlight and moisturizes the skin to keep its natural elasticity for a younger-looking you. Aloe vera. This list would be incomplete without the magical aloe vera. Aloe vera gel can be found in pure forms, creams, oils, ointments, shampoos, you name it. But it can also be used as a drink. Among its countless uses in the body, one is reverse aging. Drinking aloe vera gel every day can literally freeze your aging process. Aloe vera is an excellent promoter of collagen synthesis, which, as discussed earlier, is very important to reverse aging. Aloe vera also detoxifies your body, removing many toxins from your gastric and intestinal systems. Many of these toxins would otherwise cause premature aging. Not only does aloe vera increase the production of collagen, it also inhibits the natural or excessive breakdown of collagen in the body, making sure that your skin gets all the collagen it needs to look soft, supple, and younger. Avocados. Research has shown that the avocado, without a doubt, is a superfood when it comes to reverse aging. Avocados also have antioxidant properties, but what makes them more effective than other foods is that they can penetrate to the cellular level and exert their effects from there. Mitochondria, present inside every cell, are known as the energy factor of a cell. A cell will get all its energy to perform various functions from mitochondria. While generating this energy, mitochondria also produces some free radicals that harm the cells. Avocados can limit the production of these free radicals and assist in reverse aging by limiting the body's own byproducts that would otherwise cause premature aging. The many nutrients found in avocado help in the rejuvenation of the skin so that dull and damaged skin is replaced by healthier and younger looking skin. Apples. As they say, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Well, an apple a day also keeps aging away. Apples are packed with vitamin C and vitamin B complexes. Apples work essentially for rejuvenation, regrowth, and damage repair in many capacities. Vitamin C is the best promoter of new cell synthesis, so it helps new cells replace their exhausted and worn-out old versions. This gives skin radiance and glow, reducing the signs of aging. Apples are also full of antioxidants that help in reverse aging. Brussel sprouts. Brussels sprouts can rightfully be called the key to reverse aging. They have a very high ratio of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They also have a lot of water in them. As mentioned throughout, free radicals are the real culprits behind natural aging and premature aging. Brussels sprouts hunt these down, quite literally, and eliminate them, preventing and greatly slowing down the process of aging. The large amount of water present in Brussels sprouts also helps maintain healthier, well-hydrated skin, which in turn helps in reverse aging. Fish and fish oils. An excellent source of protein, fish and fish oils are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These are fatty acids that the body cannot produce on its own, and they have to be acquired through the diet. Among the many reasons why the body needs these, one is to fight aging. With age, the epidermis of the skin gets weaker, fragile, and less elastic. This shows the signs of aging on our face in the form of wrinkles. Omega-3 fatty acids help the skin to maintain its biochemical integrity by keeping its water and nutrients in check. Fish and fish oil are also beneficial in fighting the aging effects of UV rays. When taken in through diet, fish and fish oils help in overall protection and maintenance of health, which is important for reverse aging. Nuts. All nuts help in reverse aging. They are full of healthy fat and omega-3 fatty acids that are essential in slowing down the signs of aging. Nuts are also rich in vitamin E, which helps prevent cellular damage of any sort. As such, it aids in preventing skin cell damage that would otherwise show signs of aging. Nuts are also anti-inflammatory, so they reduce the chances of many skin conditions like acne or eczema. These diseases exhaust the skin and make it age much faster than normal. Consuming nuts can be a good way to avoid this and, in turn, achieve the goal of reverse aging.
I just cannot stop talking about the red tea detox system. My friends are so tired of me bringing it up, and my husband finally agreed to try it just to get me to shut up about it. Well, and he saw the wonders it worked for me, and he loves it. So it was really a godsend for me and my family. And I just cannot believe an entire African tribe was sitting on this amazing secret for so long. So where do I even begin with describing it? It's so simple to follow, and I never got confused about what I was supposed to be doing on that day. Liz makes sure to explain everything you need to know so that you never get tangled up with it. And I was a little worried about the tea at first, but once I actually tried it, I was actually blown away at how delicious it was. And plus, Liz gives you loads of different ways to prepare it, so I never got bored with it. Tea lattes, smoothies, slushies, even popsicles are all included. But most importantly of all, the red tea detox actually really truly works. And not just a little, it worked a lot. And I've been on it for over a month now, and I'm already down 22 pounds. Yeah, 22 pounds. And as a mother of 2 young kids, I really couldn't be any happier than I am with this diet. Ever since starting a family, I haven't had a whole lot of time for exercise, and my days are a whirlwind of extracurricular activities, carpooling, keeping the house clean, and preparing meals. So when I finally got a free second, I really don't want to spend it on my feet. And beyond that, there simply isn't enough time in the day to make a separate breakfast, lunch, and dinner for myself along with everyone else's. So the red tea detox solved both of those problems for me. I could exercise when I wanted to, but it wasn't required, and I could still eat most of the same meals my family was having. No double cooking, and that means more time to do what I love most, and that's spending time with my beautiful family.